In this video, I'll be showing you how you can transfer from crypto.com to your Revolut account. First is to head inside the crypto.com application and then click on the accounts icon. Once you click this, select the crypto that you want to transfer. For example, is Ethereum or Bitcoin. After clicking it, just click the transfer button and then click the withdraw button. Once you are inside the withdraw section, just click on the external wallet. And here you have the tab on the add wallet address. In the add wallet address, you have to input the address of the Revolut. Now we have to head it to a Revolut application and then click onto the crypto icon. Here you have to search for the crypto that you want to be received into your account. For example, is Bitcoin. After searching for Bitcoin, click the receive. And then you will now see the wallet address. So copy it and then go back to your crypto.com and then paste it into the wallet address field and just continue it by clicking the continue button and finishing the transaction. And that's it. That's how you can transfer from crypto.com to your Revolut account, and thank you for listening.